everyone, my name is Stefan. I am a student at the University of the West Indies St. Augustine campus, where I developed my goal of making the world a better place through environmental science. So, let's get to learning. Located in the northern range of Trinidad, rainforests are defined by its abundance of tall, evergreen trees and high amounts of rainfall. Other than Trinidad, rainforests are found anywhere that provides the aforementioned conditions and therefore thrive on every continent besides Antarctica. Popular examples include the Amazon rainforest and the Congo rainforest. And here it is. So first we discuss the trophic levels and the energy distribution. So at first we have the detritivores, which are the decomposers where the plants get their nutrients, which are basically dead plant matter. So let's talk about energy distribution. So the producers, which are the first level, also known as the first trophic level, get their energy from the sun. So through the sun, it is provided with 100% energy. But however, going up in trophic levels, they decrease, as you can see here. This is so due to the loss in heat through the animals. Now let's identify these organisms. So we have producers who produce their own food. Then we have primary consumers, also known as herbivores, which are animals that eat only plant. Then we have secondary consumers, which are carnivores that only eat meat. And lastly, we have the tertiary consumers, which are known as omnivores, who eat both plants and animals. We already know the first, second, third, and fourth trophic level. So let's get to the food web. So first we have producers, which are the fruits and seeds and nuts made from plants, and we also have water lilies. The water lilies are eaten by the larvae, the oscar, and the guppy. Now the water insect larvae is eaten by the oscar and the guppy. The water lily is also eaten by the small bird, who eats fruit, seeds, and nuts. These nuts are also eaten by the toucans and the monkeys. Continuing on, the small bird is eaten by the boa constrictor. Now herbivores are considered prey, as they only have one source of energy, but the toucan, monkey, guppy, and the oscar are considered predators, as they have multiple food sources, as seen here. So as seen here, we have it could be defined as a complex food web. These monkeys are well known for their loud howls they make during the day, with the dominant monkey making louder projecting calls. Native to few Caribbean countries such as Trinidad and Guyana, these monkeys live in the trees covering swamps, which are where forests, marsh, and wetlands meet. These mammals feed on mainly leaves, fruits, nuts, and seeds. Additionally, the white-faced capuchins, who are their smaller cousins, do eat meat in the form of birds and their eggs. During the day when the heat sets in, they like to find a cool spot on the trees and lay down, which eventually turns to a nap. Just like humans, monkeys are warm-blooded animals, and this is so to maintain a body temperature. Another interesting feature is their hair, which keeps them warm and protects them from the sun's direct rays. Being the only carnivore in the food web, snakes are very peculiar about the way they move, eat, and even sleep. There are many species like the king cobras, anacondas, and black mambas, but the focus is on the boa constrictor, as they are the most common in rainforests. Being a cold-blooded reptile, conditions for its survival is much different compared to the other consumers. Within a rainforest, snakes travel either on the forest floor, in ponds, or even on trees. With the constant flickering of their tongues, these nocturnal animals are able to smell their prey and are also able to sense body heat. Being on the third trophic level has its advantages, such as multiple food sources. For example, the boa eats both birds and lizards, which makes them fierce predators. However, less energy is available to them as they are secondary consumers, and they will require more food as the energy going up the trophic level decreases. Although a food web is well diverse and balanced, the ultimate predator is man. Through poaching, which is the hunting of animals, the predator population will decrease, and obviously the prey population will therefore increase. With the increase of the prey population, the carrying capacity of the habitat will be reached. This will cause migration of animals to occur.